Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn for Fun. What's up guys? I'm your host Sylvia. So today I just thought of sharing with you how I make ghee or clarified butter in bulk in Instant Pot, and this is very easy. This is one of the methods that I've tried multiple methods earlier, but this is something which worked for me. I also tried the soup setting, but for some reason I didn't like the way the ghee turned out. So this is tried and tested method, so do give it a try, and if you have any other easier way of doing it, do share it with me. I would be happy to know it. So let's get started. For this I've taken 4 lbs of unsalted butter. Set your Instant Pot on the saute mode, and then once it's on, you can start putting the butter inside. The saute mode helps the butter to melt first before even doing the other setting that I'm going to show just in a little bit. So once it starts melting, that's when you have to stop the saute mode and then switch on the rice mode. Change the pressure to high pressure. I like to add a little bit of fenugreek seeds because it gives a nice aroma to the ghee, but it is totally optional. If you don't want, you can totally skip it. Now leave it on the rice setting without the lid, and this will take about 12 minutes. So after some time, about I think 4 to 5 minutes, you can see that the froth and the bubbles have settled in a little bit. It's been 10 minutes now, and as you can see, the butter has turned into a nice golden color. And after 2 minutes you can turn off the rice setting and your ghee is ready. But I personally like it a little bit darker, so what I did was, after the rice setting was done, I turned on the rice setting again and let it run for another 4 to 5 minutes till I got this dark golden brown color. And as you can see, it's looking so nice. I like this kind of color, so I let it cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. Now I'm just taking off this extra froth, taking it out, so I have the clarified butter ready. And look at that, that's it. In 12 to 16 minutes, without any monitoring, your ghee is ready, and that too in bulk. You can store it in any mason jar or a glass container, and you can store it outside. It will stay good for 5 to 6 months, or you can refrigerate it if you are in a rather warm climate. So I just hope that you like this method of making clarified butter or ghee in Instant Pot. If you have any other easier way of doing it, would really love to know it, and I will definitely try it. So do leave in your method in the comments below, but do try out this method as well and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for supporting my channel. Please click on the bell icon for the notifications. Thanks again for watching and supporting my channel. I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, happy learning, happy cooking.